we have w function, variable is z. To find derivative, we will use quotient rule because we have division here. So let me remind you the formula when we have u over v prime, this is equal. In denominator, we have to put v square. So first, I will always start from v to avoid confusion. Next, we have u prime minus v prime times u. In our case, u is equal 1 minus secant z, and v is equal tangent z. Now we have to find the derivative of u and v. So derivative of u is equal, we have subtraction here, so it means we have to find the derivative of first expression minus derivative of second expression. Derivative of constant is 0 minus derivative of secant is secant times tangent. We have secant z times tangent z. So this is equal negative secant z times tangent z. Now we have to find the derivative of tangent. Derivative of tangent is secant square of z. So now you have to just substitute. Derivative of w function is equal, in denominator we have tangent z square, and in numerator we have tangent z times derivative of u is negative secant times tangent times tangent z minus we have derivative of v is secant square z times u is equal 1 minus secant. This is equal we have positive times negative will be negative. Tangents will be tangent square of z times secant z minus we have secant square times 1 will be negative secant square of z. Negative times negative give me positive, so will be plus secant to power third z over we have tangent square of z. This is my solution.